All right, guys, who am I here with?
Khadija. Mariam.
And
Shabir.
okay, so I'm gonna give you guys some packs of gummies, and you guys are gonna rate them 1 through 10. Sounds good? All right. Let's see. Try them out. What do you think?
I think they're good.
You think they're good? What would you rate them 1 through 10?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. That's pretty good. Did you try them? What do you think?
8.5.
8.5.
Okay.
Okay, sounds good. We got an 8 and an 8.5. Sounds good. Thank you guys. Appreciate it.